here on a rooftop and looking at the chimney here. Rain caps are important. Rain caps and fire spark screens. Rain caps, more importantly, keep the rain out from falling into the chimney. Now, when a lot of these houses were built, or older homes, they didn't have these, so this one was added. You can see the neighbor house does not have rain caps. They have a spark arrest screen. You can see kind of across the road, maybe you can't see, two houses do not have a spark arrest or a rain cap. That house does. There's one. They have a screen but no cap. They have a cap and screen. So just pointing out that it is a good upgrade to keep rainwater from falling into your chimney. That's going to keep the degradation lower as the moisture can start degrading the chimney from the inside out. And certainly a screen cap is important to keep, if you do have a fire, to keep the sparks arrest from falling on your rooftop or the neighbor's rooftop and burning your house down.